Hi everyone. So previous videos I completed how you can create a email helper bot and how you can integrate that email helper bot by using Python automation DAG. So in this video I will show you whatever bot we created, right? So there I hard coded that username. So this is the hard coded username and this is the app password. So whatever we used before. So I just noticed instead of hard coding this two value inside the script, so we need to configure that in MongoDB. As I mentioned before, we need to use upcoming videos MongoDB. So MongoDB, we can create one DB, and inside the DB we can create one collection, and we can store the credential there. So those who are watching how I configure this MongoDB and all, so they can click the I button and they can see how I configure and install MongoDB. Okay, so in this video I can guide you how you can configure that credential. Okay, so first of all, I already uploaded few videos all the things. So those who are watching new first time, right, they can complete this series so they can get more ideas. Okay, before starting this bot, right, so we need to install an external module. Let me show you. That name is pymongo. Okay, so pymongo, you can type pymongo PIP module. So here you could see there is a link pymongo PYPI. Click that option. So this is the official website where we can copy that command. By using that command we can install pymongo. By clicking this option you can copy that one. Open VS Code and click terminal, then new terminal. So here we can execute that pymongo command, pip install pymongo. By hitting enter, you could see it is showing PIP, the term PIP not recognized. That means it is not configuring environment variable. So how we can do? So you have to click open your drive, Windows C. Then here you could see one option users. Open that one. As per your location where you install Python, I installed in a recommended path, so I need to go through recommended path. So let me open my username. So here you could see app data. So many systems you are not able to see that one. Then how you can do? Click this view option and there is an option hidden items. By clicking this option you can see app data. Okay, let me open app data. Here that one option is there, local. Open local. So here there is another option is there, programs. Open program. Then you could see your Python is there. Those who are installed different path, so they need to copy that path. Then open this Python. I install latest version, so I open this one. Here you could see another option folder is there, scripts. Open the scripts. So here you can find PIP module and PIP3 modules. So copy this path. So let me copy this path. You can type edit. Okay, see this one, edit the system variable. Here you could see there is an option environment variables. Click that option. There is two paths. One is user variables, second one is system variables. So you can add two. It is not the issue. So let me adding in two paths. This is one path and the second one this path. I'm just edit this one and adding here also. Then okay. Then again I am clicking OK. Okay, after adding this one, let me close this terminal, this VS Code terminal. Then again I am opening this VS Code. One second. Again I am opening VS Code. So here I am clicking this terminal again and a new terminal. Let me close this pop-up bar, and here I am pasting again. Sorry, instead of this path we need to paste that PIP command again. Okay. So after adding this one, let me hit enter. So here you could see it is taking some time, and we can see the installation process. So here you could see, right, it started the installation, so it will take few seconds to install. So it is showing like successfully installed MongoDB. So now MongoDB installed. So let's start how we can create a automation bot. Okay, so let me close this one. I think it's not required as of now. So we created one folder, right? So this folder I am creating one common MongoDB bot. Okay, I am adding MongoDB helper.py. So let me give a convenient name, so I can giving capital M here also. So after adding this one, let me refresh MongoDB. Currently we could see this 3 DB only there, so we can first create a new DB. I'm adding import, then we need to add pymongo. Okay, this module we are going to use. After adding pymongo, first we need to do what? We need to add this connection URL. So how you can do? Click this connect. I'm just disconnecting this one. So after disconnecting this one, here you could see there is a 3 dot is there. Then you can copy this connection string. So it's copied. So here we need to add that. I'm just adding any variable name. You can add anything. Connection URL. Okay. So here I'm adding, there is a command mongo client. Okay. One second, we need to add pymongo dot, then it will pop up few commands, then we need to select mongo client. Okay, so within this command we need to add that URL. So this is the default URL of your system. Then after adding this one, we need to create a DB. So I'm adding DB equal to, so same URL we need to copy here. Okay, so I'm adding connection URL. Okay, so connection URL dot. After adding this one, I think dot also not required. Here we need to take that key. So what key you want to use? In here the key is named as a DB name. So I am giving like these are also automation series. So I am giving automation underscore config. You can give any DB name, okay, as per you want. So after adding this one, I am adding print method. So here I am adding DB. After adding, let me run Python file in terminal. So after adding, here you could see it is showing on database and it localhost that all the required properties which are fetching from MongoDB. So let me connect again. Here you can see connect, right? So you can click that one. Let me refresh. Okay, so this is the property we are fetching from MongoDB. So this one indicate as a how we can add DB. So this is a new DB. So after adding this one, I want to show like each print, each log I want to show you. Okay, so collection, I'm adding collection name. So let me change this one also, db name, so you can easily understand. db name, collection name. So here how you can define, like you need to call this variable name, you can add here. So variable name, then same thing, let me adding this collection name config, you can add anything. Then I am printing that one again. So I want to show you each property, what it is, the log, what actually it is printing, so we can see one by one, so you can easily understand each point. So this one we added. If I execute this one again, so here you could see it in first thing, this one is the database property and this one is the collection property log. So now we need to go to MongoDB, then again refresh this page. So here you could see we are refreshing this one, still now it is not creating any DB. Okay, so now what we need to do, I want to add some property, I want to add some collection data in this collection name. So what we need to do, I want to add like data. Okay, just I'm adding collection data. Okay, this collection data, I just calling this collection name. If you want to execute any query, then we have to add that collection name dot. I want to add insert method. Okay, so here I am calling one insert, I'm inserting one, so I'm adding insert one. If you want to insert multiple documents, then we can use multiple documents command. Okay, so in here it is referring that curly bracket is a dictionary and JSON file, JSON command. So here I am adding user name, here I am adding username. So in this username I am adding whatever email helper we created, right? So this username I just copy from here and add here. Okay, this is username. Then we need to add that password. So password, I'm adding whatever our password we added here, right? So same thing I copy from here and I add here. Okay, so after adding this much of thing, I am printing again for checking the log. So this is collection data. Okay, so after adding this one, let me save this one and execute this Python file again. So it is creating one object, here you could see, right? So this object means the data is added within this collection. Okay, so let me refresh this. Here now you could see, right, it is creating one DB automation config, and inside this automation config there is a collection is there, and within that collection I added one username and password. So this is the thing we need to do, and few more optimization also we need to do in upcoming videos. So in this video I explained like how you can resolve this PIP module and how you can create a MongoDB helper bot, and within that bot how you can insert a document. Then upcoming videos what I will explain like how you can fetch this username and password, and how we can use that username and password instead of this hard-coded value. So today video this much only. Thank you so much guys.